大家好，恭喜發財. Hi there, I'm Marie. Today we'll be making a Cantonese style steamed fish. The word for fish in Chinese is yi, which also means surplus or abundance. Superstitious or not, we always include fish in the New Year meal. It's an expression of thanksgiving and hope for the new year. This recipe is one of the tastiest, yet it's super easy to make. It's my favorite way to cook fish. We'll use a whole fish. This is a white pomfret, but you can use any variety. It's important for the fish to look appetizing. We'll garnish it with spring onions, coriander, and chili pepper. Chop the coriander coarsely. Slice the spring onions into thin strips. Then soak them in cold water for 30 minutes. And do the same with the chili pepper. After soaking, they curl into lovely spirals. Use about 3 ounces of ginger. Clean and remove its skin. Cut it into 8 equal strips, then take 2 of the strips and cut them into matchstick size. This fish has been cleaned and gutted, but I keep everything on its outside intact. Make 2 scalds on the thickest part so that it cooks evenly. Now pour on it about 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. Make sure the underside gets it as well. Let it sit for 10 minutes. This is going to really enhance the flavor. Next, lay ginger strips under the fish to prop it up so heat can circulate underneath. I put the extra one in the fish cavity. And then cover it with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to keep in the flavors. And don't forget to rub the tail and the fins. In a steamer, bring the water to a boil first before putting in the fish. We'll steam this for 7 minutes. The first 3 minutes on high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer to finish the cooking. So it's been 7 minutes. Let's take a look. The meat is flaky and no longer translucent. This is done. Transfer the fish to a serving plate. I discard the liquid from the steaming because it's oily and fishy. We'll make a special sauce later. Now, spread the finely cut ginger strips across the top. Heat the vegetable oil until it's almost smoking hot and pour it over the ginger. You will hear a sizzling sound if your oil is hot enough. The infused ginger flavor oil will give the fish just the right amount of aromatic and flavor. Sprinkle on some spring onions, coriander, and chili pepper for the color. Now, just one last thing. We'll make a sauce for the fish with light soy sauce, sesame oil, and rock sugar. The soy sauce by itself can be quite salty. Be sure to use an equal amount of water to cut out the saltiness. Crush the rock sugar. Heat the water and rock sugar in a sauce pot. Once the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat and add the soy sauce and sesame oil. That's it. Now carefully pour the sauce over the plate without it touching the top part of the fish. Look at how colorful it is. Our classic steamed fish is done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more future fun videos. Bye for now.